I get this question all the time. Is my law firm sellable? Or, I can't sell my law firm, can I? Well, let me tell you, if you're a lawyer and you've built a law firm business, a law firm practice, you can sell your law firm. The question is how much value have you built? And what is the transaction structure to make sure that value can be pulled and transferred to another? Now, there are times that you can't sell your law firm, right? Death, disability, those different things, the value depletes so quickly that even though there may be a sale event there, the value is little to none. And so overall, the biggest thing in selling your law firm is giving yourself time. So if you're a law firm owner and you've built value, you've built a business that serves you, you can sell it. You have to know what you've built, the value that's there, and you have to know upon what terms you could sell it to another party, a buyer. But overall, if you don't give yourself time to do it, you'll never see if that's possible. So give yourself time, and remember, if you've built it, you can sell it.